Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by preparing your workspace. Open Apple Notes and create a dedicated planner folder, then make 3 baseline notes labeled Daily, Weekly, and Projects. Once done, enable iCloud Sync so every change appears on phone and Mac without copying. Make a simple template inside each master note, date, top priorities, time blocks, and a quick capture line for ideas. This first step stops friction. You want a predictable entry point, so planning becomes automatic. Next, build usable templates and a workflow you can stick to. Convert recurring layouts into checklist-style templates and store them in a templates note for quick duplicate. Once done, leverage headings and bold text to separate time blocks and priorities. Use checkboxes for tasks so completion feels satisfying. Make linked systems by copying a note's URL into related notes. This ties projects to reference material. Practice one weekly routine. Review, plan, and finally, adopt a daily cadence. Each morning, duplicate your daily template, set 3 most important tasks and time block them, and capture quick wins throughout the day. Once done, spend 5 minutes at night reviewing progress and migrating anything unfinished into tomorrow's note or the appropriate project. If notes stop syncing or disappear, make sure iCloud Notes is enabled, sign out and back in, and rebuild the planner folder from a device that still has the latest copy. That usually restores structure.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.